Finishing up with our review for the third check-in. Again, 5 topics, 5 questions per topic. Hopefully you can do real well in at least one of them. That way, it gives you a little more leeway on some of the tougher problems. Start with an inequality problem. Beatrice's diet says she can eat no less than 1,500 calories in a day. What inequality best represents the number of calories she can eat in a day? So took a similar one to yesterday, changed our keywords. So we're still going to see the C as our variable. This time we got 1,500 as our number. What are the key words in this one? No less than. So we got no less than right there. If she's eating no less than 1,500 calories, can it be equal to 1,500? Yes. If it's no less than, can it be greater or less? Greater. So that's where we get greater than or equal to. Okay? Out of your 5 inequality questions, 2 of them are probably going to be like this. 2 of them are probably going to be graphs, and I don't know on the 5th one. Could be one or the other. Okay? Any questions? Equations. The length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice the width. What equation shows the relationship between the length L and the width W of the rectangle? So the easiest way to start off this one, since I didn't make it multiple choice, it says the length is. The way we would show that in math, we got our length is L, is equals something. How do I show the rest of that? It says the length is 3 more than twice the width. Yeah, 2W plus 3. The order could be different, but 3 more means you're going to be adding with 3. And when it says twice the width, if it's twice something, that's 2 times the width. Any questions on that one? Just going through, looking at what they give you. Bert the Butcher has 27 pounds of beef. He's going to put the beef equally into 5 packages. How many pounds of beef will be in each package? Go ahead and give this one a try. What did you get? 5.4 is correct. So what you're doing, it's the 27 pounds divided it by 5 packages. So 5 goes into 27 5 times. 5 times 5 gives us 25. When we subtract, we got a remainder. When we have a remainder with problems like this, we need to keep going. Okay? So we can add a decimal We can add as many zeros to the end of that as we need. The decimal comes straight up for our answer, and we bring down that 0. So we got 20. 5 goes into 20 4 times. When we subtract there, we've got no remainder, so that's where we can stop. If we still had a remainder, we would bring down the next 0 and keep going. Any questions on that one? It's just dividing it out. If it's a problem like this and it does not specify that it has to be a decimal, you really could just put 27/5 as your answer. Either way works. These number circles, or charge circles, or whatever they're called, with the pluses and the minuses, the easiest way to do these is to think of them as an addition problem with what they give you. So we've got 5 positives, and we've got 7 negatives. So we would start with thinking that as 5 plus -7. We do not see 5 plus -7 as one of our answer choices. We can tell it's not going to be those two because C and D have a -5. With A and B, when they're subtraction, we got to change them to addition so we can compare them all. How do we change them to addition? Keep change, change, or same change, change. So 5 plus -7, 5 plus +7. A is then the one we were looking for. B doesn't work. Okay, just going through. Always want to make them the same so you can compare them. In this case, addition is going to be the easiest way to compare them. And one more. We got Bubba. She's graphing some coordinates. She has 3 of the 4 for the rectangle. We need the 4th. Go ahead and find it. Yeah, this one is going to be 2, 3. And here's how this works. So we got 2, 3. You got a couple options. I said the other day we could graph it. Graphing is going to take a lot more time. But if you're looking for the 4th coordinate of this rectangle, we get rid of our matches. So 7 and 7, -5, -5. And whatever's left is going to make the ordered pair for the 4th vertex. And we keep the x value as the x value, the y value as the y value, so that's how we get the 2, 3. Yep. Any questions on that one?